So Soho, Italian restaurants, Italy, Maltese Mafia. Tell me more.
Yeah, I was a bit surprised that there was a lot of Maltese that were playing the tough boys. You know, the hardest boys in Soho, and some of them used to come to the restaurant and have a few fights after dinner, just because they didn't want to pay the bill, and that kept reoccurring over and over again. And young Aldo Zilli, 25-year-old with a new restaurant, how scared was I? In scale of 1 to 10, about 12, but I didn't show it. That's what made me survive.
Was it prevalent around the Soho area then? Back
yeah,
in
it was.
time?
Yeah, in those days there was quite a lot of hard sort of. There are a few Italians as well, but it was more fun than it was scary, to be honest. I mean, you live in Soho, so you have to expect. There was peep shows, there was sex shops, there was everywhere. Until they clean them up.
You got to take the rough with the smooth, right?
Yeah.
If you
Exactly.
want the sex shows, you've got to pay the Maltese Mafia.
Oh,
I was expecting a bit of rat poison in the spaghetti bolognese.
I absolutely loved it.